Okay, at the back, we are here, Tabata Scissors and Knives Workshop. Since olden time, Tanebasami is well known for good quality of iron sand producing area, and also there are a lot of good blacksmiths. Okay, let's go and check their amazing skills.
You always find me here when the world
1枚
はい。
ですか。はい。じゃあ2枚重ねて、
はい。
はい、2枚重ねて切ってくだ
変わんない。
さい。3枚重ねてどっちが
いいですか。全然変わんない。いけました。
すごい。
ね、重くなりますけどいけますよね。
これ。
12枚。
Okay, I just watched their making scissors, and it's just amazing. Like high technique. I don't make scissors, but I can tell they're so good, and probably I can watch them working all day. It's interesting, very interesting. And actually, I tried their scissors, and it was amazing. Like I cut 12 pieces of clothes. But yeah, it's it's okay. I mean, the sharpness is surprising. You should try it, and it's very good for souvenir. I promise.
I do. Or through the calm and the